Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about the oddly satisfying topic of beards. The topic first came to my attention when this actor shaved his beard and Instagram panicked. Do you think he looks better with a beard or without a beard? Also, do you know what movie he's famous for? As you check out some beard and beard trimming clips, please comment below. Do you find beards attractive? Hey folks, if you're interested in a hair gel that temporarily covers up your gray hair, then check out 4 Roots. Look 10 years younger in a matter of minutes. We'll put a link in the description.